If you're choosing between SolidWorks and Fusion 360, which one is better? SolidWorks is a powerful choice for professional mechanical design. It offers advanced parametric modeling, assemblies, detailed documentation, and integrated simulation tools. It's especially strong for engineers and companies working on complex mechanical products. Fusion 360 from Autodesk takes a more all-in-one approach. It combines CAD, CAM, CAE, PCB, data management, and collaboration in one cloud-connected platform. This makes it attractive for product designers, makers, startups, and teams that want design to manufacturing workflows in one place. Overall, SolidWorks is a great pick for advanced mechanical engineering and professional CAD workflows, while Fusion 360 stands out for flexibility, collaboration, and integrated manufacturing tools. So if your priority is advanced mechanical engineering, choose SolidWorks. If you want an accessible all-in-one design and manufacturing platform, Fusion 360 is worth considering.